Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Anna.
And I'm Alex. We're happy you're here.
Today, we will talk about stress.
Yes, stress is part of real life, and today we learn how to talk about it in English.
We will use easy words and simple sentences.
So listen, speak, and repeat with us.
And don't forget, like and subscribe for more English practice.
Let's start with a simple sentence. I feel stressed.
Good. Repeat after us.
I feel stressed.
Another sentence. I have a lot of work.
Yes, this can make you stressed. Repeat. I have a lot of work. Now, a helpful phrase. I need a break.
Very important. Example, I feel stressed. I need a break.
Great sentence.
Let's try a short, real-life dialogue.
Okay.
Hey, Alex, how do you feel?
I feel stressed. I have a lot of work.
Oh no, maybe you need a break.
Yes, I think so. Thank you.
Now it's your turn.
Answer this. How do you feel today?
You can say, I feel stressed. I feel okay. I feel tired.
Take a moment. Speak out loud.
Great job. Let's repeat one more time.
I feel stressed.
I have a lot of work.
I need a break.
Today, we learned simple ways to talk about stress.
Yes, I feel stressed. I have a lot of work, and I need a break.
You're improving already. Good job.
Keep practicing every day. You can do it.
Now, a question for you.
What do you do when you feel stressed?
Tell us in the comments.
Bye.